Box from Bateman's is here. You know what day it is. One of the best days of the week. Wheel Wednesday. Let's get it. I won't waste any more time yammering. We will just spin the box around 15,000 times. And then I will cut it open. Now I got that side and this side. And then I'll be very, very careful with this end here, because I don't want to cut it. Oh, okay, cool. We are good. Oh, we even have extra tapage. There we go. All right. Okay. Ooh, got screws. Bubble wraps. Ooh, I can see things popping out. I like it. Okay. I don't know the best way to do this, so I'm pretty much just going to do this. So I have no idea what is what, so we will just kind of organize this a little bit, and then we'll start just opening randomly. Red. Purple. Ooh, and a purple. Those are scarns too. Sick. There we go. Won't even take a knife to it. Oh, I already know what these are. These are my personal wheels. I had these, well, one of these done. Oh man. And that kind of gets you a little bit. That's the those Pantera bullies that I had last time. That I put up a Sublime shirt or whatever, and I realized that that's not the same, and yada yada yada. I do know that, but it was the only shirt I could find, so it is what it is. However, we have a purple back 5-star, which is either a machete or 101, I believe, or a five hole. Another back, so you kind of see that. Ooh, and another back. Let's go with some. Let's open one of these. These are tanks in dark gray and green. Not usually a fan of tanks, but those are really, really nice. I like those a lot. Here's the last one. And then one of the other wheels that he was allowed to do. Oh, wow. This is a totally different color than what it looked like online. This is, what is this? I'm not sure if this is blue with gold over it. This looks like blue with gold over it. So blue with like a yellowy gold drizzle all over it. That looks pretty good. So we got that one, and that one. And as usual, once we get done, I will do a flyover of everything and show you all of the combos and everything like that all together. Ooh, ah, man. And I got rings for my Pantera wheels. That's just what I'm gonna call them now. This is what it is. I don't know what you'd call it. Ooh, those are really cool looking. It's more of the blue with gold. Very cool. It's a black and citron ring. Not sure what that goes to. I don't know, but I got a picture of whatever that is. Citron and purple, as usual. Dark blue and clear, which looks really good together. Right there. Ooh, oh, there's our rear for the tanks. There's one of the rears for that. There's one of the rears for the 105s. Oh, that's wild looking. Purple and gold. Don't know what that goes to. Another rear for the 105s in gold and blue. A citron and purple. And my last rear for the black with, these are actually black with custom green splatter, I think. And then they're acid dipped. That's how I got that look. Let's see here. Ooh, those are cool. I don't know what those go to, but I like that a lot. Clear with blue. And then I've got a dark blue with clear. These are going to be cool. Another citron. A blue and gray. So that's even different. And then we have a Pantera ring. And another Pantera ring. So now I don't know what's going on. Purple and gold. Again. Another citron and purple. There we go. Blue with a dark gray. Not sure what those are. I like it though. And another blue and gold for the 105s. Ooh, more blue. Oops. Shit. More blue with clear. Another black and gold? Black and, I don't know what color that is. It's like a weird mix between gold and that citron color. Not real sure what that is. More purple and gold. Maybe like a Lakers fan somewhere. Another blue and gold ring. The clear and blue, whatever those go to. And the blue and gray. So now we got like a sneak peek of everything, almost. More dark blue with clear. I believe those are another set of tanks because those are awful deep. And another blue and dark gray. So the purple and gold are actually machetes. I like those. Next one. And the next one. Like that. Oh man, those are good. Man, I like those a lot. These are going to be hard to get rid of. Blue with clear drizzle. Light blue with clear drizzle, technically. These look good. Another blue with clear. Oh man. Ugh. These are going to be hard to get rid of. Alright. So, got blue and dark gray. That is a killer color combo on that impact. I like those a lot. There's the other one. Okay. And then we have the 101s in blue with clear drizzle. I like those a lot. I got a bunch of purple rears. That's a 4, so that's an impact. Ooh, we get to see what these are though. This is the blue and clear. Ooh, that was good. Purple 105s. Not a huge fan of 105s. However, you do know other people like them, so I stock them. You know what I mean? Another 105. Another purple 105.
Another one.
One more purple 105. One of my favorite Citrons, the 101s. I think those look so good. Purple machete. And I assume these will round out the purple machetes. Yep. And purple machete number 786. Okay. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. That's what's up. Oh yeah. I like a lot. The 101 Pantera wheel. That's super sick. Black with green with a little acid wash. And now we throw a ring on it. Oh my goodness. And another. Very nice. Another. This one's got a lot of black in it, not a whole lot of green, which I always like the variation. I think that's actually part of the cool part of getting them all done. Ooh, and he did machetes too. Sick. So I did get 2 sets done. Whatever. Last 101. Now we have another black and green machete. Another black and green machete. Black and green machete. Ooh, sick. Those are cool. I like that a lot. Blue with the clear drizzle. Go, some more blue with clear drizzle. And blue with clear drizzle tanks again. And the last blue with clear drizzle tank face. Purple tanks. Purple. And purple tanks. And another back for the machetes. Regular purple ring. A regular purple ring. Another regular purple ring. Another regular purple ring. Another regular purple ring. And lastly, another regular purple ring. So we got another Citron and purple. And then we have the last clear and light blue drizzle. All right, Citron and purple 101. Citron and purple 105. That looks really, really good. So Citron and purple 105. Citron and purple 105. Citron and purple 101. Citron and purple machete. Another Citron and purple 105. Another Citron and purple machete. The last Citron and purple machete. And the last Citron and purple 101. That concludes Wheel Wednesday. As usual, I will give you a big flyby of everything, and I appreciate you watching. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and Facebook groups, Bullman Built RC across the board. Check us out on Monday nights live at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time.